Hi friends, in this session we are discussing one more sorting mechanism, that is heat sorting mechanism, and by using heat sort mechanism how the elements are arranged in the form of ascending order, right? So here first of all, in heat sort mechanism we are constructing complete binary tree. Construct complete binary tree. Complete binary tree. So after construction of complete binary tree, then check whether the complete binary tree follows heap order or not. Compulsory complete binary tree should follows heap order. Should follows the heap order. So generally there are two possibilities for heap: max heap or mean heap. Max heap or mean heap. So before entering into the actual concept, first of all, what is complete binary tree and what is max heap and what is mean heap, right? So first of all, we are discussing what is complete binary tree. So complete binary tree means it is a binary tree. It is a binary tree. All the levels are completely filled except the last level. So what is complete binary tree? So complete binary tree is a binary tree. All the levels are completely filled except the last level. And it should follow the root, left and right order, right? For suppose here A, so after insertion of next node, that node must be placed at left position of this node, parent node. Then only we are filling right position. So this is the order: root, left, right. So what is complete binary tree? Complete binary tree is a binary tree. All the levels are completely filled except the last level. And what is the order for complete binary tree? Root, left, right. So for suppose I am taking this example. This is complete binary tree. Why? Because level 0, level 1, level 2. So all the levels are completely filled except the last level. So last level of the leaf nodes does not contain any children, right? So here I am taking one more example: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. This is also binary tree. This is also complete binary tree. Why? Because so all the levels are completely filled except the last level. So last level is incompletely filled, right? So this is about binary tree. So after complete binary tree, after completion of construction of complete binary tree, then the complete binary tree should follows the heap order, either max heap or mean heap order, right? First of all, we are discussing what is max heap. What is max heap? What is max heap? Now in max heap, parent node is always greater than children nodes, right? What is mean heap? So that is the reverse. children node is always greater than parent node. That is nothing but mean heap, right? So after construction of max heap, then we are deleting the root node and replace the root node with last node in the complete binary tree, right? So what is max heap? Parent node is always greater than child node. Delete, so after construction of max heap, delete root node and replace the root node with the last node that are presented in the complete binary tree, right? So this is the max heap. What is mean heap? So mean heap means children node is always greater than parent node. Same procedure is followed. Delete the root node and replace that root node with the last node in the complete binary tree, right? So this is about max heap and mean heap, right? So then how to solve example with the help of heap sort mechanism. So here I am taking one example for heap sort mechanism. 6, 2, 7, 1, 0, 5, 8. So this is our array. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So n is equal to 7. N is equal to 7. So first of all, we are constructing complete binary tree for this array, right? So what is the complete binary tree? So it should be arranged in the form of root left right, right? So root left right and all the levels completely filled except the last level, right? So here 6, then left, these are the indexes, 7, right. For left we are placing next node, left side, 7, 1, 0, 5, 6, 2, 6, 2, 7, 1, 0, 5, 8. So this is a complete binary tree. Why? Because all the levels are completely filled except the last level, right? So here all the levels are completely filled. So that's why this array satisfies the complete binary tree property. So after construction of complete binary tree, check whether the complete binary tree is in heap order or not. So here for this example I am constructing max heap tree. So what is the property of max heap tree? So parent node is always greater than children node. Delete and replace the root node and replace that node with the help of last node, right? So that is the procedure. So how, first of all, here I am constructing max heap tree for this array. So what is the max heap tree property? Parent node is always greater than children node, right? So what is the first node? 6, then 2. So here for this tree, max heap tree property is satisfied. Why? Because parent node is always greater than children node. So this is satisfied, max heap tree property. Then we are inserting one more node, 6, 2, 7. Now the tree checks whether it satisfies the max heap tree property or not. So here children node 7, parent node is 6. So children node greater than parent node. So that's why this tree does not satisfy the max heap tree property. So to satisfy that condition, we are swapping these two. Now tree becomes 7, 2, 6. Now this tree satisfies the maxi tree property, right? Then what is the next inserted one? So 6 completed, 2 completed, 7 completed. Then what is the next inserted node? 1. 7, 2, 6, 1. So this tree is also satisfies the maxi tree property. Why? Because so parent node is always greater than children node. Parent node is always greater than children node, right? So what is the next inserted node? 0. 7, 2, 6, 1, 0. So this tree also satisfies the maxi tree property. Why? Because so parent node is always greater than children node, right? What is the next inserted node? 5. 7, 2, 6, 1, 0, 5. So this tree also satisfies the maxi tree property. Now what is the next inserted node? 8. 7, 2, 6, 1, 0, 5, 8. This tree does not satisfy the maxi tree. Why? Because so children node is always greater than parent node. So that's why we are swapping these two. Now tree becomes 7, 2, 8, 1, 0, 5, 6. Now check this tree satisfies the maxi tree property or not. So here this tree also does not satisfy the maxi tree property. Why? Because so children node is greater than parent node. So that's why we are swapping these two nodes. Now tree becomes 8, 2, 7, 1, 0, 5, 6. Now this tree satisfies the maxi tree property. Why? Because so parent nodes are always greater than children node. So for these children nodes, what is the parent node? 7. So 7 is greater than children nodes. So what is the parent node for 1, 0? 2. So this is also greater than children nodes. So what is the parent node for 2 and 7? 8. So 8 is always greater than 2 and 7. So that's why this tree satisfies the maxi tree property, right? So here all the elements insertion are completed. So that's why there is no need to insert other elements. So this is the maxi tree for this array, right? So what is the final array for this one? 8, 2, 7, 1, 0, 5, 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? So here I am constructing maxi tree. Right? So once we can construct the maxi tree, delete the root node. So delete the root node and replace the last node in the tree. Last node in the tree. Right? So here, what is the final tree? This is the final tree for this array. Maxi tree for this array. Right? So here, what is the next property for maxi tree? Delete the root node and place that node in sorted array, right? So here delete 8 and replace that node with the help of last node in the tree. So what is the last node in the tree? 6. So 6, 2, 7, 1, 0, 5. Delete the root node and that root node is placed at sorted array. So how many number of elements? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? So delete the root node and replace the root node to last node in the max heap tree. Right? So deleted node is placed at sorted array. So this is, for suppose I am considering this is the sorted array. Right? So here I am placing 8. Right? Then we are applying the same process until all the elements are sorted in the max heap tree. Right? So here now check this tree follows the max heap tree property or not. So this tree does not follow the max heap tree property. Why? Because so here what is the children node for node 6? 2, 7. So 7 is greater than 6. So that's why we are swapping these two. Now tree becomes 7, 2, 6, 1, 0, 5. Now this tree satisfies the max heap tree property. Right? So once max heap tree property has been satisfied, delete the root node and replace the last node. Right? So deleted element is placed at sorted list. Deleted element is placed at sorted list. So here what is the deleted element? 7 is placed at sorted array list. Replaced with last node. Now tree becomes 5, 2, 6, 1, 0. Now check this tree satisfies the max heap tree property or not. So here what are the children nodes for node 5? 2, 6. So 6 is greater than 5. So that's why we are swapping these two. Now tree becomes 6, 2, 5, 1, 0. Now this tree satisfies the max heap tree property. Max heap tree property. So here what is the next root node? 6. So here we are deleting root node and replace it with last node. Right? So here deleted root node is placed in sorted array 6. Now tree becomes, so this root node is replaced with last node in the tree. 0, 2, 5, 1. So this is the tree. Right? Now this tree satisfies the max heap tree property or not? No. Why? Because so here what are the children nodes for 0? 2, 5. So 2 is greater than 0, 5 is greater than 0. So first of all we are replacing these two. Now tree becomes 2, 0, 5, 1. Again check whether the tree satisfies the max heap tree property or not. No. So now we are replacing the root node to highest children node. Now tree becomes 5, 0, 2, 1. Now this tree satisfies the max heap tree property. So that's why we can delete root node and place it in sorted array 5. Replace with last node. What is the last node? 1, 0, 2. 1, 0, 2. Now check whether the tree satisfies the max heap tree property or not. No. Why? Because so children node is greater than parent node. So that's why we can replace the elements. So here now tree becomes 2, 0, 1. 2, 0, 1. So this tree satisfies the max heap tree property. So that's why we can delete root node and place it in sorted array. Now tree becomes replace with last node. Now tree becomes 1, 0. So this tree satisfies the max heap tree property or not? Satisfied. Why? Because so here parent node is greater than children node. So that's why this tree satisfies the max heap tree property. So delete the root node and place it in sorted array and replace it with last node in the array 0. Right? So here we are not applying any comparisons. So directly we can place this element into the array. So finally we can get the sorted array. Right? So what is the actual procedure? First of all, we are constructing the complete binary tree. Now check whether that complete binary tree satisfies the max heap tree property or not. So once we can violate that rule, simply we are applying swapping mechanism between parent node to children node. Right? So after satisfying max heap tree property, delete root node and replace that node with the last node in the tree, and that root node is placed in sorted array. So this is the actual procedure for heap sort mechanism, right? If you have any doubts regarding to this example, please post your doubts in comment section. Thank you.